Hello and welcome to the course of Linux System Programming. My name is Mohan. Let's see the fundamental concepts of Linux. What is a Linux kernel? A kernel is a computer program at the core of computer's operating system, and it is a portion of the operating system code that is always resident in memory. The kernel facilitates interaction between hardware and software components. On most systems, it is one of the first programs loaded on startup, that is after the bootloader. The kernel connects the application and the hardware. So kernel is in between the application and the hardware layer. The tasks performed by kernel are process scheduling, memory management, handling file systems, process management, device access, networking. The kernel provides system calls or APIs through which the user can request kernel to perform various tasks. Linux system provides multitasking and multi-user. A multitasking is a feature provided by kernel in which several processes can be run independently on the CPU and each process run in such a way that it cannot access other process memory. A multi-user in Linux kernel provides multi-user login. That means Linux allows multiple users to use computer without affecting each other's file. Linux provides an environment to independently perform various tasks. Let's see what are kernel space and user space. A program is divided into modes or space, that is kernel space and user space, or kernel mode and user mode. The program running in user space does not have access to all CPU instructions and has limited access to resources. Hence, if any error occurs, the complete system will not be affected. Only the user space code will be terminated. Whereas, when a program running in kernel mode, the program has access to all the underlying hardware and no restrictions are imposed on the software or the program running in kernel space. The program in kernel space must be very much sure of its action, else the errors may lead to catastrophic results and the entire system will be affected. So we can say that the kernel mode has full access to the hardware and no restrictions are present in kernel mode, whereas in user mode there are restrictions for the software running. Let's see what is a shell. A shell is a special program that is used to read the user's instruction through command line interface. It acts as a bridge between user's instruction and the action to be taken in kernel. There are different shells used in Linux. Popular shells are Bourne shell, C shell, Korn shell, Bourne again shell. The files are generic word used in Linux. There can be different types of files. Below are the different file types in Linux. Regular or plain files, where the data is stored, pipes, sockets, directories, and symbolic link. We will be going through these different files in the course as and when required.